The Secret of the Water Bowl. Liam and Ava set a big blue bowl of water on the kitchen table. It was time for a floating and sinking experiment. Liam dropped in the little yellow rubber duck. Plop! The duck bounced and bobbed on top. "It floats!" cheered Ava. Next, Ava held up a shiny, small metal toy car. "What about this racer?" Liam made a loud drumming sound on the table. Kerplunk! The metal car zoomed straight down to the bottom. "It sank!" Liam said, surprised. Grandma walked over, smiling. Grandma explained simply, "The duck is light for its size, so it stays on top. The car is heavy for its size, so it has to go down." Heavy for its size. Liam and Ava cheered, giving each other a high five. Now they knew the secret of the water.